What if I told you the reason you keep losing momentum isn't because you're lazy, but because of small habits that are silently draining your discipline every single day? You don't notice them. They feel harmless, even normal. But they're the reason you can't stay consistent, the reason you quit when it matters most. Here's the truth. Discipline isn't destroyed in one big moment. It dies slowly in the little things you repeat without thinking. That's why today we're breaking down the habits that secretly kill your discipline. And once you see them, you'll never look at your daily routine the same way again. Think about it. Every time you tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow, or it's just one day off, your brain learns that promises don't matter. And when your own promises don't matter, how can you ever trust yourself? This is why discipline is so hard to build and so easy to lose. The small choices stack up. They either create a foundation of strength or a pile of excuses. So let's talk about the hidden habits that are destroying your discipline and how to break free from them before they destroy you. The first habit is hitting snooze. It sounds so simple. What's 5 more minutes? But here's what really happens. The moment you hit snooze, you're teaching your mind that comfort comes before commitment. You're saying, my word doesn't matter. I'll do it later. That one tiny decision bleeds into everything else you do. Suddenly, quitting your workout feels easier. Delaying that project feels normal. It all started with one push of a button. Ask yourself, if you can't win the first battle of the day, how can you win the bigger ones? The second habit is chasing motivation. You tell yourself, I'll start when I feel inspired. But let's be real. Do you always feel inspired? No. And that's why you keep waiting. Motivation is like a spark. It's great when it's there, but it burns out fast. Discipline is about doing it whether you feel like it or not. Every time you wait for motivation, you weaken your ability to act on command. Imagine a soldier who only trains when he feels like it. That's not strength. That's weakness disguised as patience. Stop chasing feelings. Start following decisions. The third habit is making excuses for small breaks. You say, I've been good all week. I deserve a break. And sure, rest is important. But here's the danger. When taking a break becomes the reward for every small effort, you train your brain to see discipline as punishment and indulgence as freedom. Over time, you start negotiating with yourself. One skipped workout turns into 3. One missed deadline turns into a pattern. And suddenly, you're stuck in a cycle of starting over again and again. Ask yourself, are your breaks helping you recover? Or are they helping you avoid? The fourth habit is surrounding yourself with comfort. Look at your environment. Your phone on your nightstand, junk food in your kitchen, endless entertainment one click away. Every convenience whispers, relax, you can do it later. And the more you give in, the weaker your willpower gets. Discipline thrives in an environment where distractions are limited. If you're constantly fighting temptation, you're already losing energy before the real battles begin. Sometimes it's not about being stronger, it's about being smarter. Remove the temptation so you don't need to fight it every single day.
Here's the takeaway. Discipline doesn't die in explosions, it dies in silence. In 5 more minutes of sleep, I'll start tomorrow, in just one break. The good news is, this also means you can rebuild it the same way, one small decision at a time. Win the first battle of your day, act without waiting to feel ready, keep your promises, even when nobody's watching. Because every time you choose discipline over comfort, you're not just building habits, you're building a stronger version of yourself. And that version of you can achieve anything. So now I want you to reflect. Which of these habits do you see in your own life? Be honest. Drop it in the comments below. And if this hit you hard, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more, and share this with someone who needs a wake-up call. Discipline is built in the dark when nobody sees you, but it shows up in the light when everyone does. The choice is yours. Will you keep feeding the habits that kill your discipline, or will you finally start breaking them today?